Today in this video we will see how to lock apps on your iPhone either with Face ID passcode or with Screentime. We will also see pros and cons of both the method. So if I have to log any app with Face ID or passcode, then I will tap and hold the application for some time and select this option require Face ID and select require Face ID. So once I do it, if someone has to open the Facebook application, then Face ID or passcode will be required. And suppose if I have to lock my apps with Screentime, then what I will do is I will go to settings here. After that, I will go to this option Screentime. Scroll down and select this option lock Screentime settings and enter a passcode. So this passcode will be different than the one that you use to unlock your iPhone. Suppose 1 2 3 4, again re-enter to confirm. Now here you can enter the Apple ID. This Apple ID will be used to reset the Screentime passcode if you forget it. I will not forget, so I will select cancel and then skip. So once you have set up the Screentime passcode, go to this option app limits, select add limit and enter the Screentime passcode. Now here applications are grouped by categories, for example social, games, etc. So if I have to lock any application, then I will select a particular category, and suppose if I want to lock WhatsApp, I will select WhatsApp, next, and here I have to set a time limit. For example, let's say 1 minute and then add. So what happens, this particular app can be used for 1 minute every day, and when you have used this application for 1 minute, the application will be closed. For example, if you see WhatsApp application is already locked, and if someone tries, they can ask for more time, so they can use for 1 more minute, and when 1 more minute is completed, the app will be locked. Let me show you. Now once 1 minute is over, and if someone asks for more time also, then they won't be able to open the application. Now the pros of using Face ID and passcode to lock your iPhone apps are: it is easy to lock your iPhone app with Face ID or passcode, and there is no any extra application that is required to lock the application. Whereas the cons of using Face ID to lock your app is not all the app might be supported, and all the applications will be locked with the same Face ID or passcode. And if anyone in your family has access to the passcode that you use to unlock your iPhone, then they can unlock the application as well. Now the advantage of locking application with Screentime is you can lock any application, and here also you don't need any extra application to lock the iPhone apps, and the passcode that you use will be different from the passcode that you use to unlock the iPhone. Whereas if you see the cons, then locking iPhone apps with Screentime is less convenient. You have to set up the Screentime passcode, and user can use the application for a certain time, for example 1 minute, before the application will be totally locked. So it's up to you which method you want to use.